In this video I want to show you how to copy elements to a new scene. So in this I'm going to take the example of Great Northern Haven. So Great Northern Haven is these buildings here. I'm just going to select each of the buildings, and I'm interested in copying all of these out to a new scene. So you can see, because I have my dashboard graphs as selection only, I don't really need to do this anymore, but it is an option. So I just want to show you that option. So I could right click on the elements, I could say copy, and over here I could say paste, and you'll see the elements get copied. Then I can right click on this and say I want to rename it, and I want to rename this as Great Northern Haven. So if I was interested in looking at Great Northern Haven on its own, I would turn off all the other layers and just get Great Northern Haven, and then I'm just going to bring it into the center of the scene. I could zoom in, and then I could select all the buildings like this. Once I've selected all the buildings, you see that I get the same information for just the information now in my dashboard is for Great Northern Haven. You'll see that they're all Class D or better. You'll see that there's no energy generation in Great Northern Haven. So Great Northern Haven is actually B rated, and it's B rated for the single reason that there isn't actually any energy generation. There's a lot of smart metering happening down there. There's quite a bit of roof space available for PV. Current energy consumption is lower than anything that we've seen so far, and we can have a look at if we change the boiler. I think this is a boiler intervention. If we look at the inspector again and look at the intervention, that's the only one that's been changed. So this is, if we were to do a boiler upgrade down there, we could see the difference. So again, we can still copy things out to a separate scene if we wanted to save it or look at something on its own, but with the graphs, again with this selection, we don't actually need to do that anymore. It's a bit more efficient, and it's not, if I change the reporter from all objects to selection only, it means I can do that analysis within the scene without having to copy out to a new scene. But if you wanted to make quite a few changes if you just wanted to analyze this on its own, it might be useful to copy it out to a separate scene. Okay, thank you.